I'm Sam, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are going to be talking all about the Isle of Paradise tanning water. So you may have seen my video that I already made on the Isle of Paradise tanning drops. If you haven't, I will link that there for you. However, I am almost out of them. There's very little left in that bottle. So I decided instead of repurchasing, even though I love the drops, I would try out the tanning water and then share it with you guys and see, if this one is better, if this one is better, if I love them both. So let's start getting into the video. If you could take a moment and click that button to subscribe to my channel, I would so appreciate it. As I mentioned in my last video, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the summer, and we are more than half the way there. So I would love to have you come along and get notified every Wednesday when I post a new video. Thanks! As you can see, this tanning water is brand new. I haven't even opened it yet. I was really intrigued by this product. So a tanning water, as opposed to the drops, you just spray it on your skin. So I'm gonna see how that goes, if it's as easy to apply as the drops are. The drops to me feel pretty foolproof, so we'll see if this is the same. The one thing that does concern me, on the back it says to apply it with a tanning mitt. So I don't have a tanning mitt. I'm hoping that I could just use my hands. I looked on Google and I also asked a couple of my friends who are more experienced with tanning products than I am, and they seem to think that it will be just fine. So if I come out with like bright orange hands at the end of this, you'll know that that is why. First step, open the bottle. Oh, I got it. I vaguely remember something about this smelling like eucalyptus. It doesn't. Eucalyptus is my favorite scent, so it's quite possible that I just made that up. It smells almost exactly like the drops do, which I think is just the way that all fake tanner smells. So the directions on the bottle here, they just say that you are supposed to exfoliate 24 hours before tanning. Didn't do that one. And then mist until skin is totally saturated, covering face, hands, and feet last before blending with a tanning mitt. That tanning mitt, using sweeping motions. Thoroughly wash palms after use. Perfect. I would do that anyways. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just get on into my bathroom, take off this white clothing that I don't want to ruin, and then I'm going to thoroughly spray my entire body with this tan. It'll be interesting to see how much of this bottle I end up using in my application. Well, this is definitely not the most glamorous place for us to be hanging out. I did want to just show you what the application is like and see, how easy or difficult that is going to be. So I'm just gonna put my hair up first. Of course, I don't wanna get fake tan all over my hair. Here goes nothing. So it says to fully saturate the arm. So I feel like that is pretty saturated. And then just gonna rub it in. It definitely smells the exact same as the way that the drops smell. It's not an offensive scent by any means, but it does smell like fake tan for sure. And then I hope that that is just gonna dry pretty quickly. That's something about the drops that I do like, is I feel like they absorb into the skin pretty quick and you're not left feeling like super sticky. Also, with there being no guide color in the product, you're not gonna be getting fake tan like all over your white sheets, all over your white clothes that you're wearing. I am going to put the rest of this on and then I'll see you in 4 to 6 hours. Bye! Back and I'm tanned. Actually, that was the easiest tanning process ever. You can see here in the before photos that I was fairly tanned, but obviously, you know, in the afters, you can see that my tan has deepened quite a bit, and it does look still smooth and it's not patchy or anything. This product was so quick. I think it took me about 10 minutes to tan my entire body. So I give it definite points for ease of application and how quickly the whole thing worked out. And honestly, I do really like the way that the tan came out. I feel like even though I was a little bit more tanned before, you can still see a pretty noticeable difference in my overall appearance. Obviously, I did go with the darker shade as well, knowing that I'm a little bit more tanned now, but I'm really happy with the purchase and really happy that I decided to go with the tanning water over just repurchasing the tanning drops again. I do like both products, so I would recommend trying either of them out depending on what is the most important to you. If you want to build a slower, more gradual tan, then I'd say the tanning drops will be perfect for that. You can customize them, you can add it to your own moisturizer, and that way you have full control over exactly what that tan is going to look like. Or if you're just trying to do a small part of your body, for instance, like I use these a lot on my face just because it doesn't get as tanned as the rest of my body. I protect it with SPF every day and also wear hats usually when I'm outside. Then the tanning drops are a great choice. If you're looking to do, you know, your whole body, if quick application is important to you, then I think the tanning water does win out on that. For me, I think I'll be sticking with this one for the most part because obviously, you know, I have a full bottle of it, so I'm gonna keep using it. But in addition, I just loved how quick it was to apply. It was just as easy as rubbing in the drops mixed with moisturizer. And I feel like I did get a really good, smooth application, even though obviously I didn't have a tanning mitt and I did it really, really, really quick. And I'd never done it before. So there could have been user error there as well, but it didn't seem to affect my results at all. I think the one thing that I'd change about this product, if I could, is just the scent. I did look on their website and it does have eucalyptus in it, so I'm not completely crazy, but it is what it is. I think every product has a similar smell to that, so I can't really hold it against them when it's an issue that everybody in that category has. I can keep you guys updated in the comments about how it wears. Since this is my first time using it, I have no idea. The drops fade really naturally, so I hope I'm not going to have any issues with that, with patchiness or anything later on, but I'll keep you guys posted if I do. You can also see I did use just a little bit of the product in my application, so I think that this bottle is going to last me quite a long time, which is great. For context, these drops, I've had them for over a year. To be fair, I did use them mostly on my face for a lot of that time, so, you know, I wasn't going through them as quickly as if I did my entire body every 2 weeks. But I'm still impressed that these lasted as long as they did and are just running out now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed my review and showing you how I used the Isle of Paradise tanning water. Please let me know in the comments if you have any other questions, if there's anything else that you would like me to cover about this product. And I will see you next Wednesday in my new video then. Bye!